Hello. Hot weather is on the way, both by day and by night. Tonight is going to be pretty warm and humid. Most places having clear spells, but it's still very wet in parts of western Scotland. We still have a warning in force with persistent rain continuing to cause the threat of problems here. It does dry up on the mainland, but the Northern Isles and the Western Isles stay soggy. Elsewhere, a dry night. A lot of cloud just moving back in across these western areas. It's warm, it's humid, it's misty, it's murky. Temperatures holding up in the mid to high teens in many places. So it won't be a cold start to Tuesday. Could for quite a few be cloudy starts, misty and murky conditions, especially on the south and the west coast of England and Wales, and a lot of cloud inland across southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. Still raining across the Northern Isles and the Western Isles, but that rain does tend to peter out through the day, maybe lingering in Shetland. And the cloud tends to melt away too. Some coasts will stay a bit misty, but for most it turns sunny. And temperatures will be rising, and rising significantly across these central and eastern areas in particular, widely up over 30 degrees Celsius, with a high likely close by to London, 33, maybe 34 Celsius. Some coasts will be cooler. It'll be cooler where it's cloudy in the far north, certainly, but generally it is going to be a pretty warm day. But it's not the peak of the temperatures, as we shall see in a moment. Let's go through Tuesday evening. It's a balmy evening for many, but the heat and humidity likely to spark some thunderstorms. They'll be hit and miss, and many places likely to experience at least a flash of lightning or a rumble of thunder as those storms push their way northwards. You may get disturbed through the night by those thunderstorms. That's if you can sleep at all, because it is going to be a very warm and humid night, Tuesday night into Wednesday. These are the temperatures as we start Wednesday, with some places likely to stay in the low 20s all night. A remarkably warm start to Wednesday. It's going to be hot and humid once again, but we will start with thunderstorms across northern Scotland. Slowly they ebb away, maybe some showers too across East Anglia and the southeast. They too should fizzle out. So for most, Wednesday's another dry day with plenty of sunshine developing across the east. A bit more cloud further west, however. So as a result of that, it won't be quite as hot on Wednesday in the west. A bit more comfortable perhaps with temperatures in the low to mid 20s. But again, across the eastern parts of England, temperatures getting over 30 Celsius again, 34, 35 is possible close to the southeast. High pressure is dominating across the UK, but low pressure isn't too far away, and it's the squeezing it together which is allowing the winds to come up from the south. That is why we're having a hot week of weather. And then as this next area of low pressure moves in, another waft of even warmer air spreads up from Spain across France, and it's on Thursday when we could easily see those temperatures peaking in the mid-30s, and 37 Celsius is possible. Not everywhere is going to get 37, but if we do get 37, it will be a record for July. And there's even the possibility we could break the all-time UK record of 38.5 degrees Celsius. So yes, hot for quite a few of us, very hot in some spots this week. Those nights are going to be humid and oppressive, and some places we'll see some thundery showers as well. For the very latest on the temperatures, to see how high we go, make sure you're following the Met Office on social media.